So apparently Siquijor is famous for witches that are up in the mountains, and that is what we are looking for today.
We pulled over and the guys were asking some locals about where we can find the healer. We were told that this guy is like the great step-grandson of her or something. And so he jumped on the back of one of the guys' bikes. We've driven around. We found the sign that says bulo-bulo healer.
Oh, the old guy. Oh, I thought it was a...
Yeah, me too.
I swear they said it was a woman.
Yeah?
I thought... Oh, okay, yeah. Let's just... Should we just look at the chicken? Okay, so firstly, it's a guy, it's an old guy, thought it was a woman. Not what I expected. I thought you'd go into a room because it looked like they had like a curtain that goes into a back room, so you'd have something maybe in the dark. I don't want to sound disrespectful, and I'm really sorry if I am, but it is a man walking around blowing bubbles into a jar. But you know, when you're not supposed to laugh, that everything is just really funny. So me and Leo, his brother, once one of us started to slightly laugh, we were both laughing too much, so I had to leave, and I thought I'd come and tell you. I'm really annoyed with myself because I like these kind of things, and I like if you're told it's about faith, so you need to have faith to believe in the healing. So I need to get myself into a better place and a more serious place so I can believe in this and hopefully be healed the way that I need to be healed. I've got this, guys.
Clear. It's good? Okay. It's okay. Thank you very
Clear again?
You were healed very quickly.
Okay, we've just finished. We haven't even spoken about this yet at all. So, what did you think? I have more questions than answers, to be honest.
Yeah, so do I. It was kind of an odd feeling, but I don't know if that's all in my head.
Yeah, no, I feel quite like light now. It's kind of hard to explain. So what they do is they blow the bubbles into the water. There's a stone that was given by the priest, so it's a very powerful stone, and bits come off it, and he keeps like washing it away until it's clear. And if it becomes clear, it means that you're okay inside.
Yeah.
You're okay. When Andres went first, me and Leo, we couldn't stop laughing, and it was like, you know, when you can't laugh.
Yeah.
So we had
but
to
I was
go
facing him, so I couldn't. So
Yeah.
I specifically like kept a straight face, and then after a while, I found it kind of relaxing watching him do it. And then it took ages for mine to go clear, which is a little bit worrying. It was funny, like it was almost clear, then Al stood up and then he started blowing around your bum. I was like, yeah, it's gonna go cloudy again.
But yeah, what a strange experience.
It was very interesting.
Okay, so now we're going to go, I'm not sure what we're doing now. I think we're probably going to the marine sanctuary and going to get some lunch. Luckily, we're all clear. We have clear water,
Healed.
which means we are healed and we are fine. So thank God and thank you, Mr. Witchman. Because I thought it was a woman, but it was a man.
Balu, is it? Or, no,
Bulo-bulo.
bulo-bulo.
But okay, let's go. I just want to clarify, before we carry on to the next place, that I do feel really, really relaxed now, because I was skeptical. You saw I was laughing and I really didn't want to. It felt really disrespectful, but once I sat down and like calmed myself down, it's like I've just done meditation. If you've ever done meditation, you get this really calming feeling after doing so, and that's kind of what it was like. Really worth doing, really interesting, and makes me want to try and do some more things like this just in other countries we go to. But this is one of my favourite things I've done in the whole Philippines, just for the adventure. Going around asking in the local villages, coming down and being led by the grandson through, look at this, through that, into a tiny little house. What a strange, strange experience.
So we have come to the marine sanctuary to go snorkeling. However, there's nobody here, and the ocean looks super rough out there. It's really windy, so you might not even be able to hear me. But if we can't go snorkeling, at least there's chickens. After we went to the Gila, we had another little drive. We found a lovely place to stop and have lunch, which had the most fantastic view over the whole island and the beach and the ocean. It was fantastic. So we had some really nice food. And then we've just been driving around the mountains. It's been absolutely stunning the whole way. We spent the whole day up there driving around. It must be, what, 3 or 4 p.m. now. Okay, so I have spoken to a couple of local girls here, and they said that there's no one here taking people out on trips because the sea is too rough. But if any of you have seen our videos from our time in Palawan, you will know that we love a mangrove forest. And guess what there is? A mangrove forest. Look who I found sneaking around in the mangrove forest.
I was just lurking. I'm a lurker, guys. Always have been. It's so much fun just to walk around these. So we get sometimes life gives you lemons. Is that a saying?
I don't know, but sometimes things don't go to plan anyway.
So you make lemonade. Nailed it.
Nice.
And yeah, mangroves are a great way just to go explore. I get a little bit scared though, because I don't think they have crocodiles here, but When I think of mangroves, I think of crocodiles.
That's true. I think it's like kind of swampy, like there's lots of places for them to hide.
They're in
Funny if
Siquijor.
right now we got attacked by a crocodile and we had it all on
That'd be
camera.
great for the vlog.
It would go viral. So the sun is now setting and is right in our faces. So we are going to go find the others and hit the road. After watching that fantastic sunset yesterday, our camera died. And then we had to say goodbye to our friends after a few more beers. And today we're saying goodbye to Siquijor Island, which we're very sad about. We could definitely do with a few more days here. However, we have a flight to catch in Bohol. So today we are going to go catch a ferry and say goodbye. Thank you so much for watching our video. I hope you liked it. We hope you liked it. Al's being lazy. He's just laying in bed right now while I'm finishing the video. Yeah, so give us a thumbs up if you like the video. Make sure you hit the notification button and the subscribe button if you haven't already, because there's loads more amazing videos coming soon. And leave us a comment. We always like a good comment, don't we, Al?
Follow us on Instagram.
Follow us on Instagram, he says. Well, that's a new one. We don't usually say that. But yeah, follow us on Instagram, because actually our videos sometimes are a few days delayed, but our Instagram's always current. So check that out. I'm always posting stories on there as well, and things that we don't always include in our videos. I think that's it. So now is when Alex overly excitedly says beans out, but he's not feeling so energetic today, so it's my turn. Beans out.